Welcome everybody to the Flightline stand. We've got an awesome setup this year, 5 aeroplanes, which I'll take you around in a minute. This is our new exhibition trailer. Looks absolutely awesome. It's like a hospitality area. We'll start over here with the aeroplanes. So over here we got the Cessna 206. This thing is an absolute beast of an aeroplane. 300 horsepower, 6 seat, get 6 people, full fuel, have a 400 meter grass strip, no issue. Next up, we've got a 1941 Piper Cub, fully restored, new fabric. This is an absolute beautiful aeroplane. Have a look inside. It's got a beautiful wooden Hercules propeller. Next up, we've got a Piper Warrior, 1985 late model. Piper Warrior 2. Recent paint, half-life engine, leather interior. Very nice. Then we've got a lovely original Robin DR400 108. This has got a recent overhauled Norvik engine with about 250 hours. Then over to the biggest aeroplane we've got on the stand today, which is a twin engine Beech Baron. This is a really fast machine, 200 knots. Let me show you inside. So inside we've got full Garmin cockpit, glass panel. It's about £100,000 worth of avionics. 6 seat, double rear doors. It's a real going places machine. Get your family down to south of France, no issue. Very nice. If you're here today, come and say hello. We'd love to work with you. Thank you, bye bye.